Creating a good presentation usually takes hours, sometimes even days. First, you research the topic, then you write the slides, then you design the layout, and finally, you search for images. But what if an AI tool could do all of that automatically in seconds? Today, I'm testing Terabox AI, a tool that can generate full presentations, create AI images, and help with productivity tasks, all inside one platform. Let's see if it actually works. Before we dive into the features, let me quickly show you the final result. This entire presentation you see here was generated by AI. The slides, structure, content, and design were all created automatically. And the crazy part is that it only took a few seconds. Now let me show you how it works. What is Terabox AI? Many people already know Terabox as a cloud storage platform, but now they're expanding it into something much bigger. Instead of being just storage, Terabox is becoming an all-in-one AI productivity space. Inside the platform, you can now access tools like AI Presentation Maker, AI Image Generator, AI Writing Tools, AI Search, AI Scan, and Speech-to-Text Transcription. So instead of switching between multiple tools, everything can happen in one place. Today, we're mainly focusing on their AI Presentation Maker, which might be one of the fastest ways to create slides. Feature 1. AI Presentation Maker. Let's start with the most interesting feature. Inside Terabox AI, you'll find the AI Presentation Maker. Instead of manually creating slides, all you need to do is type a topic. For example, Future of Artificial Intelligence in Education. Once you click Generate, the AI starts working. First, it automatically searches for relevant information about the topic. Then it organizes everything into a logical presentation structure. After that, it writes the content for each slide and applies a professional design layout. Within seconds, you get a complete presentation ready to use. Something that would normally take several hours of work. You can scroll through the slides, edit any text, and customize the content. And if you want to continue editing somewhere else, you can export the presentation easily. This makes it perfect for students working on assignments, professionals preparing meetings, marketers creating pitch decks, or anyone who needs slides quickly. Feature 2. Beautify Slides. Now let's talk about another very useful feature called Beautify Slides. Sometimes we already have a presentation, but it looks a bit messy. The layout might be inconsistent, the fonts might not match, and the slides might look outdated. With Terabox AI, you can simply upload your existing PowerPoint file, then click Beautify Slides. The AI will analyze the entire presentation and automatically improve the design. It adjusts things like layout alignment, slide structure, visual hierarchy, fonts, and spacing. In just a few seconds, your presentation becomes cleaner and more professional. How this is extremely helpful if you need to quickly upgrade a presentation before a meeting or class. Feature 3. AI Image Generator. But presentations are only part of the story. Terabox AI also includes an AI Image Generator. This means you don't need complicated tools like Photoshop anymore. Instead, you can simply describe the image you want. For example, futuristic AI robot working on a laptop in neon cyberpunk style. Click Generate, and the AI creates multiple images instantly. You can also upload reference images, and the AI will generate similar visuals based on them. Terabox uses the Nano Banana Pro model, which helps generate higher quality images, more accurate details, and better text rendering. All generated images are saved inside My Creations. From there, you can download them, share them, delete them, or leave feedback. This feature can be very useful for content creators making thumbnails or visuals, e-commerce sellers creating product images, designers making posters, or anyone who needs quick graphics. Real use cases. So who is this tool actually for? Here are a few practical use cases. For professionals, you can quickly create presentations, reports, and visual materials without spending hours designing slides. For students, the AI can help generate structured presentations for projects and assignments. For e-commerce sellers, the AI image generator can create product visuals for fashion, beauty, and other online stores. For content creators, it can help generate thumbnails, covers, and visual assets. And even for regular users, it's useful for creating things like social media graphics, avatars, personal projects, all in one AI productivity platform. Another interesting part is that Terabox is turning into a complete AI productivity ecosystem. Beyond presentations and images, the platform also includes tools for AI writing assistance, academic research support, AI transcription with real-time speech-to-text, intelligent organization of information. So instead of using multiple AI platforms, you can manage work, study, and creativity in one place. That's the idea behind their concept. One box, infinite AI space. How to try it? If you want to try it yourself, just Google Terabox AI and then open the standard presentation page to test the AI presentation maker. You can generate presentations or create images directly in your browser. I'll also leave the link in the description and pinned comment. AI tools are evolving extremely fast, and platforms like Terabox are trying to combine storage, AI creation, and productivity into one tool. If you enjoy discovering new AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe to AI Finder, and I'll see you in the next video.